of forces. In this module, you will learn about various types of forces. You may already know that a force can change the state of motion of an object. Forces are of various types: muscular force, magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force, and frictional force. Let's learn about each type of force in detail. Let's start with muscular force. The muscles in our body help us move our different body parts. For example, we paddle a bicycle using muscles in our legs. The force exerted by muscles is called muscular force. While lifting a bucket full of water, we use muscular force. Magnetic force is next. When we bring a magnet near iron pins, the pins are attracted towards the magnet. This force of attraction is called magnetic force. The force of attraction between a magnet and iron pins, or between the poles of two magnets, is called magnetic force. It is magnetic force that makes maglev trains move over rails without being in contact with them. Let's now talk about gravitational force. When we throw a ball straight up, it travels a certain distance in air and then falls down. This is because the Earth attracts all objects towards it. This force of attraction of the Earth is called gravitational force or gravity. Fruits fall down from trees due to gravity. To understand what electrostatic force is, let us do a simple activity. Get a plastic scale and some paper bits. Rub a plastic scale on your dry hair and hold it close to the tiny paper bits. What do you observe? The paper bits are attracted towards the scale. Why? The scale acquired static electric charges when we rubbed it on our hair. These static electric charges produce in the scale an electric force which attracts the paper bits. This force is called electrostatic force. Static electricity is what causes lightning. Let us now discuss frictional force. Again, let us do an activity first. Get two wooden planks, gum, some fine sand, and two identical plastic balls. Then apply gum on one surface of a wooden plank, and over the gum spread some fine sand. Let the two planks stand against each other at an equal height like this to form two similar slopes. Now, from the higher end of each slope, release the two plastic balls at the same time. you will notice that the ball on the surface of the plank with sand on it takes more time to roll down. This is because the surface it is rolling down is rough. When an object moves over a surface, a force arises that opposes its motion. This force is called frictional force. It is always in a direction opposite to that of motion of the object. In this module you have learned there are 5 types of forces: muscular force, force exerted by muscles; magnetic force, force exerted by a magnet; gravitational force, force exerted by the earth; electrostatic force, force arising due to static electric charges; frictional force, opposing force that arises when an object moves over another surface.